We learned that the higher you are, the less air pressure that you have.
It kind of is very dangerous, especially when it gets above 10,000 feet. Pilots have to wear a oxygen mask when they get above 10,000 feet, and astronauts have to wear a bodysuit when they get above 50,000 feet.
I can't go in space without the right gear. I was trying to lift it up with one pinky to see if I can weigh it, and if I could, I have lifted up 60,000 pounds.
We blew up a balloon and put it under a glass, and we put oxygen into the glass and it popped, which showed how altitude works when your body is up above 10,000 feet.